Welcome to Bright Scholarship official channel. Today we are going to talk about K2 University ADB Scholarship 2021 in Japan. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Bright Scholarship official channel and click the bell icon button to get the latest updates from our channel. Now we discuss the brief description of this scholarship. This scholarship is provided in the University of Kyoto University, Japan. This is master degree scholarship and it is fully funded scholarship for all international students, and the scholarship is available in Japan. The last date to apply for this scholarship is 11 June 2020. Now we discuss the benefits of this scholarship. This scholarship is a fully funded scholarship, will provide all the necessary expenses: complete tuition fee, accommodation expenses, subsistence allowance including housing allowance, medical and accidental insurance, book allowance, economy class air travel tickets, visa fee, airport taxes, language allowance, thesis research allowance. Here is the list of available countries. You can check whether you are eligible for applying for this scholarship or not. Now we check the eligibility criteria for K2 University ADB scholarship. You must be eligible one of the countries listed above. You have a bachelor degree or its equivalent with a superior academic record, at least 2 years of full-time professional working experience, not more than 35 years old at the time of application. In exceptional cases, the age limit should be 45 years. Agree to return to your home country after completing the program. Application deadline. The last date to apply for this scholarship is 11th June 2020. How can you apply for this scholarship? There is an online application system to apply for Kyoto University ADB Scholarship 2021 in Japan. Here is the application guidelines. Click for first scholarship. Application guidelines are here. You can download the guidelines and application form by clicking here. Here is the guidelines, and this is the detail of what you have to provide to apply for this scholarship, and here is the form, application form, in Word and in PDF. Here is the form to apply for the Kyoto University ADB scholarship. First of all, you have to provide your family name, first name, middle name. Then you have to provide your nationality, date of birth, current contact details, may its address, email address, telephone number, fax number, name of the university and department in which you are going to apply, name of the graduate school and department, educational and vocational background for admission in 2020. You have to provide your enrollment in all fields, employment history if you have, letter of recommendations. You have to provide name, first name, last name, address, email, to be completed by the recommending party. This will filled by your professor who is recommending you. Then you have to answer these questions. Please provide a description of the applicant qualification for graduate study. In this regard, please include the assessment of how this applicant compares to other whom you have taught. These all questions should be answered by your recommenders. Here you have to provide your application fee. You have to answer these questions for your English test scores. Here you can attach your English proficiency statement. Then you have to provide your preferred study area and supervisor and specialized subject of oral exam 1 for admission in 2020. Study area here, name of supervisor here. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share with your friends.